To turn on G-Sync in Windows, first ensure your computer meets the necessary requirements, including an NVIDIA graphics card and a G-Sync compatible monitor. Start by connecting your monitor to your computer using a DisplayPort cable, as G-Sync only works over DisplayPort. Next, go to the NVIDIA control panel, which can be found in the Start menu or by right-clicking on the desktop. In the control panel, click on the Display option in the left menu. Then select Change Resolution. Here, make sure the refresh rate is set to the highest available option, which should match the refresh rate of your monitor. Now, click on the Set Up G-Sync option, which can be found in the Display menu. Check the box next to Enable G-Sync. Then select the monitor you want to use G-Sync with. If you have multiple monitors, make sure to select the correct one. In the next step, you will need to choose the G-Sync mode. There are two options: full screen and windowed. Full screen mode provides the best performance, but windowed mode can be useful if you need to run other applications at the same time. Once you have selected the G-Sync mode, click Apply to save the changes. Your monitor may flicker or go black for a few seconds as the settings are applied. To test if G-Sync is working, open a game or other application that supports G-Sync, such as a graphics-intensive video. Look for a smoother and more responsive visual experience, with reduced screen tearing and stuttering. It is also a good idea to check the NVIDIA control panel regularly for updates, as new drivers and software may be released that improve G-Sync performance or add new features. By following these steps and best practices, you can enjoy a better gaming experience with G-Sync enabled on your Windows computer.